Hi, hello everyone. Hope you are following my Coach MSK YouTube channel, wherein career guidance is proposed and propelled. Friends, I am M. Suresh Kumar. I completed my Masters in International Career Counseling and Coaching through two degrees. One is Masters in ICCC Mindler India and Certified Career Service Provider NCDA USA. I am giving service through MESSES KNN MSK Consultants. You can visit www.knnstudyabroad.com. I got some more qualifications with which I can give some more additional inputs to those people who wants to go abroad and higher studies. You know, there are some important stages in career at levels of 10th, 12th, undergraduate, and during the higher courses. But generally, student, teachers, and also parents, they come together and decide where to go, when to go. And at that juncture, they will be stuck. And the process of going further is to be approached by somebody who is a career coach. Reason for selection of specific countries nowadays, because the education has become very available, and also the globe has become very small. Many scholarships are coming, post-work permit is given, networking and opportunity for study grant, soft skill development, affordability, tuition fees concessions, and self-work. All these things are propelling students to go for studying abroad. It is being day by day increasing in all the countries, especially in India. To fulfill the aspirations with high standard of world standards of education across the globe at reasonable cost is the aspiration of a student nowadays. So there are some steps in education journey of international standards. First is 3Cs, course selection of course, college, and country. Second is preparation for the relevant examinations, which are supposed to be the prerequisites for any university, like English proficiency test, GRE, GMAT, and after the documentation process and creating offer letters, getting I-20, arrangements of funds on our own, visa processing, visa slot booking, appearing for that, and also mock interviews to be attended, and arrangement of accommodation, and finally they will be landing in safe place and study and grow higher in their career. So in that process, KNN is giving step-by-step guidance. Initial guidance will be giving for the preparation of SOP and LORs. And next 3Cs, a direct webinar with chief consultant will be undertaken, and course, college, and country will be given with the permutations and combinations basing on interest of the student and availability of these stature and with different expectations and aspirations. So proficiency test for English is also very, very important. GRE, GMAT is most crucial, and application to the university, getting I-20, funding, all these things KNN will be taking care, including mock interview and slot booking for visa, ticketing, accommodation, if a student is needed. And proficiency test for English is very prerequisite. Of course, some universities give some concessions, and IELTS, TOEFL, Duolingo tests are primarily those are the tests which will be screened with the student. So there are some formats, how sections can be taken up, what type of test time, scoring, validity, international recognition, availability, test difficulty levels. All these things will be thoroughly discussed here during the counseling session. And why KNN? KNN is giving seamless support to those students who wanted to go and really wanted to go with genuine means. That means complete career guidance through counseling, coaching, right from the profile building to administrative process, as assistance to the process in post-landing service, and also continuation their higher studies, including their proper placement. So our mission is to take the right knowledge to all the students who are capable but who don't have some access due to shortage of avenues, information, and resources. So that is our aim. And thank you in advance for subscribing my YouTube channel. And we are going to have thorough and detailed study and discussions in the Zoom meet soon. Please be in touch and I am there to be giving you complete thorough guidance why career coaching is needed, what are the types of avenues available in different universities, different countries, and different environments, and how student has to decide. All these things will be taken care. We will conduct Zoom soon. Please attend, and you will have one-to-one discussions. Please ping me 900650 to attend the webinar free. Thank you. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity.